Hello all, in this video I'll be displaying how to get the date and time from NTP server on well-known Arduino Uno, which doesn't have a Wi-Fi enabled chip. So in this, so the Arduino is connected to the TFT display, the thin film transistor display, TFT display. So let us see how it works. So now it doesn't display the date and time. So the current date is 27/01/2025 and time is 12:22. So I'm running a Python script for getting the date and time from the NTP server. So as soon as I run it, it gets updated. So you can see the date and time getting updated. So we know that Arduino Uno doesn't support Wi-Fi or Bluetooth directly. So I'm using the serial interface from I'm getting the date and time details from the NTP server and getting it into the Arduino Uno and converting the UTC time to Indian time. So this is the project and you can cross check the time displayed here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.